A warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria, in Germany. Today's topic, Greenlight. I got me two cars from the Greenlight-Models Series 26. We got the 1982 Ford Mustang GT and we got the 1971 AMC Javelin AMX, also from the Muscle Series 26. We are going to open these packages up and take a close look at the cars. But before we start with these two Greenlight cars, I have two Hot Wheels mainline cars that are flying around in my basement for a while, and I want to take this opportunity to open them up. We got this one here. I think this one is from 2022. I don't know which case. Anyways, this one has got a cool deco from Goodyear, so let's crack this one open. So, Ford 1F50 with a black plastic base and a chrome bumper, but unfortunately no painted headlights. These chrome running boards, a chrome bumper on the back. We have taillights and these boots with wings from the Goodyear logo. We got the Ford badge here on the side, and we got, I don't know if you can see it, chrome inside of the bed of the truck and chrome interior. So I think this one is really a cool deco. So let's put this one aside and let's go on with this one here. This is a recolor, also from 2022, I think. The Mercedes-Benz 500e. It was a new casting in 2021. It came out, the first version was black. The second version is here in the background in silver. In my opinion, one of the coolest Hot Wheels mainlines releases from last year. A cool car in reality and a really cool Hot Wheels model. Unfortunately, I didn't get the black one, but now I found this red one here, which also does look very cool. I think really cool details on the front. Details on the back. Yeah. Cool. I hope I will get, or I will find the black one sometimes. Anyways, let's go on. Let's start with this one here. The 1971 AMC Javelin AMX from the Greenlight-Models series. So these are the first two Greenlights from the Muscle series that I bought so far. A few words to the packaging or the deco. Well, I think this deco here, I don't know, It's not my favorite. It looks a little bit outdated in my opinion. Like, I don't know, design from 1995, I don't know. I don't care because I will take these cars out of the packaging, but if you wanna keep them in the packaging and display them like that, I think some cooler design would not be bad. Anyways, let's take this one out of the packaging. If this is the first time you are watching a video from my channel, I like this brand, Greenlight. The problem is sometimes you have some quality issues, but the other thing is that you get a lot of diecast. Normally here in Germany these cars cost around 7 or 8 euros, which in my opinion is a kind of a fair price because you get on most of the cars metal body, metal base, rubber tires. I say most of the cars because some Greenlights, like this one here, oops, this Dodge van, as you can see, has a plastic base, which in my opinion is a little bit unfortunate, and I hope they will stick to the metal base in future. I don't know why they did that on that van. Probably saving costs. Anyways, let's get back to the AMC. I don't know if these two have opening parts. Let's take a look. I'm not really sure if this one's got an opening. Oh yes, look right here. Take a look at the engine. What is really cool, I'm always saying I'm not a too big fan of opening parts, but in this case it does close very well. You can't see the gaps aren't too big, nothing really visible, and so I think this is really, really cool. Got some details on the back. So I don't know what this thing here on the on this spoiler is. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. It looks like something is missing, but I'm no expert for this car, to be honest. So this one here has no side windows. Printing on the tire, we got some Goodyear tires. And as you can see, metal base. The number is 1250. Yeah, so this one is really cool. And the best thing I can say so far, I can't see any quality issues. And I really like how properly this hood is closing, and it doesn't open if you turn the car around. And that is really, really cool. Now let's see if this one is a roller. It rolls, not too good, but it rolls. Anyways, I think this is really a model that you can put on display, and that is really worth the money. Let's put it aside and let's go on with the 1982 Ford Mustang GT. I have to admit, these two cars, in my opinion, are not the prettiest cars, but yeah. Sometimes you like cars that are not pretty. I don't know why. Maybe I have a heart for the weak ones. I don't know. This one. Maybe I bought it because it's from the year I was born. Let's take a look at it. Also metal body, metal base, as you can see. Let's check if there is a number. Yeah, I think it's kind of hard to see on the camera, but it says, I think it's 4,469. Also no side windows. Very detailed front with painted headlights. Painted taillights, and we got no license plates, and does have kind of a badge on the hood. I don't know what that says. As you can see, we got some white wall tires, and that is one of the problems of Greenlight. As you can see here, this right tire on the back, yeah, not really perfect. The one in the front, yeah, okay, but also not really good. And as you can see, same here. Yeah, I mean, if you buying Greenlight cars, you know that. And I know that some guys here on YouTube just do a little trick and they just turn around the tire so it doesn't look that bad. I don't know, I'm not a really big fan of this. I like to keep the cars in, yeah, in the original way. So anyways, I think if you look at the car from a little distance, maybe you won't recognize it. I mean, if you turn the tire, you see it. If the car is on display, I don't know if that's the first thing you see. You also got a little scratch here on the door, but all in all, I would say this is really cool. So let's see if this one, I don't know if you can open the hood. Oh, does open. Huh. Look right here. That is really cool. Take a look at the engine. So, let's see if this one rolls. It does, but it looks like it's going down a bumpy road. So that's it for this video. I think these two cars are worth their money if you can live with these with these white wall tires. But I think I can live with it. And I would say two really cool cars that I will put on display. That's it. I say thanks for watching. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Happy hunting. See you next time.